Here's a step-by-step video on explaining all the features of the Student Tekie platform to track the progress of your child. After logging, you will find the Session tab here. Session tab on the left panel of the home page is used to view locked, ongoing, and completed sessions. After clicking on Session tab, you will see the green line. This green line indicates the percentage of course completion. You can see the upcoming and completed sessions by clicking here. This is the filter option. You can click here to sort and see only the topics you want. Now, the Homework tab. You can click on this to view and perform the assigned homework by your teacher. Now the Code Playground tab. This option allows you to access various coding playgrounds all in one place. You will find the student's name displayed here. Click here to access the saved codes and coding playground. By clicking this button, you can log out from your account. Congratulations! You have successfully learned to use all features of the Student Tekie platform to track the progress of your child.